Welcome back everyone to another Shiba Inu update. This is the daily chart on Binance Spot, and honestly we could not have hoped for a better way to return to the all-time highs. We are very close to that. It's only less than 400 Shiboshis to get there. That is less than 10%. We are quickly approaching that. But let's bring the Fibonacci. We mentioned in the last video that we had this bullish pennant and we stayed here for a couple weeks until we finally had the breakout. Volume started to pick up and we broke the 618 Fibonacci target. That was a strong resistance. We stayed above and that was amazing because the very next day not only we broke the 3,500, which a lot of people considered as the all-time high on Coinbase and on CoinMarketCap. The actual all-time high is 5,000, but nevertheless, that was a very big sell wall, and we broke through, no problem. And in the same day, actually, we broke the 786 Fibonacci. That was a very crazy day. We went all the way up to the 4,400s until we crashed about 30% all the way back to the 618 Fibonacci. That was extremely positive for us because it means we established a important support on the 618 Fibonacci, which is a very important level, and we did not go below that. And the day after, we reconquered the 786 Fibonacci, and here we are today, well above the 786, getting close, getting dangerously close to that all-time high, the 5,000. I don't expect us to break today, the all-time high, but as we mentioned, the actual target from this bullish pennant is not here. It is all the way to the 5,500, around that level, which is already above the all-time high. If we get there, we'll see if it's going to happen. I do think it is going to happen. It might take a day, it might take a week, it might take a month, but chances are we will break that all-time high. It would take a complete disaster for us to not break the all-time highs at this point. We are so close, and especially now that Bitcoin kind of sustained above 60,000, this is looking very bullish. So in the case we do break, let's say tomorrow, we could see a retest. I think it is very likely that we will see a retest to the 5,000. Unlike here, we did not see a retest to this bullish pennant, and I don't think we will anymore because it's so far away. But it is a whole different story because we are talking about the all-time highs. We need to find support at this level. I do think it is very likely that we will break the all-time highs. We will retest the 5,000, and this will be a point where if you still don't have it, this might be the last opportunity to buy Shiba at a safe price. Does that make sense? Because when you're buying like above, let's say at 10,000, it starts to get a little bit more risky. The sky is the limit for us. We can go like 100x from here, but it's a different story when you buy at a safe support. As always, take everything I say with a grain of salt. I'm just a random guy on the internet. Things can get really crazy after the 5,000. And here it is, my position, 2 billion Shiba Inu. And this is my favorite time of the trade because we know we did the right thing. We know we did our homework, and it's still way far away where I want to sell. So now we can just relax, sit back, and enjoy the price go up. Just before selling, that it starts to get a little bit more stressful, but it is so far away that I don't have to worry about that right now. I just want to point out, if you still didn't buy yet, but you still want to buy, I would only buy on spot right now, because using leverage at this point, it starts to get a little more dangerous because you could get liquidated if you do a 3x or higher. Here you can see the number of holders of Shiba Inu during the past 3 months, and as you can see, it is growing almost every single day. It doesn't seem to be stopping anytime soon. And speaking about market cap, Dogecoin is currently the number 9 coin by market cap, so 35 billion, and Shiba Inu getting close, number 11, but still basically half of what Dogecoin is. So we still have a lot of upside, and Shiba Inu is already the third most traded coin at the moment. And comparing with Solana, for example, Shiba Inu has less than 1/3 of the market cap, but it has 3 times more volume. So what does that tell you? I'll let you have your own conclusion about that. So those are my thoughts for Shiba Inu at the moment. If you still don't have a Binance account, as always, use the link in the description. You will get 10% off your Binance trading fees for life, plus a $100 sign-up bonus that you can use to offset fees. So make use of that, and I will see you in the next Shiba Inu update.